The Volkswagen Beetle is one of the most iconic cars in automotive history, widely recognized for its unique shape, simplicity, durability, and timeless character. The Beetle is more than just a vehicle. It is a symbol of the post-war automotive era that revolutionized how people viewed small cars. Since its introduction in 1938 and subsequent mass production after World War II, the Beetle has become a global phenomenon, reaching all layers of society and becoming a part of pop culture. From Hollywood films to art and fashion, its round, smiling shape makes the Beetle instantly recognizable anywhere. The example offered here is a 1964 Volkswagen Beetle from Lincoln, California. This car has undergone a complete restoration, making it not only visually captivating but also ready to drive with better performance than the original version. The restoration was carried out using a frame-off approach, meaning the entire body was removed from the chassis for thorough repair and rejuvenation. This approach allows every component of the car to be inspected, repaired, or replaced, resulting in a vehicle that is practically like new while still retaining its classic character point. One of the major upgrades on this Beetle is the installation of a new 2.0-liter inline-4 crate engine. This engine replaces the original small-capacity unit, providing greater power and better responsiveness on the road. Paired with a manual transmission and rear-wheel drive, the driver can still enjoy the Beetle's characteristic simple, yet fun driving experience. The new engine also improves the car's ability to handle modern road conditions without losing the classic Volkswagen spirit. In addition, the car features front and rear disc brakes and a 12-volt electrical system, significantly enhancing safety, comfort, and reliability. With only 669 miles since completion of the restoration, this Beetle can be considered like new, with meticulous attention to every detail, making it suitable both for collecting and daily driving. Exterior and interior. In terms of appearance, this Beetle is finished in mouse gray, a subtle yet elegant color that highlights the classic curves of the car. The understated shade perfectly complements the Beetle's iconic body, exuding a retro yet clean look. The paint has been polished with precision, ensuring smooth and flawless surfaces, emphasizing the high-quality restoration. All exterior elements, from chrome bumpers and round headlights to the distinctive Volkswagen emblem, have been carefully checked and restored, giving the car a new-like appearance while preserving its vintage character. The interior has received equal attention. The cabin has been redesigned with red upholstery, creating a striking contrast that harmonizes with the mouse gray exterior. This bold yet elegant choice evokes a warm, classic atmosphere inside the car. Beyond color, the interior features unique details such as a custom shifter and an aftermarket speedometer, carefully installed to enhance functionality without compromising the original style. All seats, door panels, and carpets have been rimmed with high-quality materials, ensuring driver and passenger comfort. Every interior element balances authenticity with modern comfort, allowing the driver to enjoy a ride that still retains the Beetle's classic soul. Engine and performance. Replacing the original engine with a 2.0-liter inline-4 crate motor represents a significant upgrade, making the driving experience more enjoyable. This engine is designed to deliver more responsive power and smoother acceleration compared to the standard 1964 unit. With the manual transmission, the driver has full control over every gear shift, experiencing direct interaction with the car, a sensation often lost in modern vehicles with automatic transmissions. The combination of a powerful engine and manual gearbox ensures the car remains faithful to the Beetle's simple, fun character. Additionally, the braking system has been upgraded with front and rear disc brakes, drastically improving stopping power and safety. The modern 12-volt electrical system replaces the old 6-volt setup, ensuring all electrical components, from lights to ignition, operate more reliably. All these upgrades have been carefully implemented, maintaining a balance between classic aesthetics and modern driving comfort. Driving experience. Driving this restored 1964 Beetle is a unique experience. The car offers light, responsive handling, allowing the driver to feel every curve of the road. Each journey becomes a direct interaction with history, transporting the driver back to the 1960s. Thanks to the new engine and modern systems, the car can also comfortably handle today's roads. Precise steering, responsive brakes, and enhanced engine performance make this Beetle suitable not only for parades or classic car shows, but also for everyday driving. Historical value and collectability. The 1964 Volkswagen Beetle holds significant historical value. This generation represents the early evolution of the Beetle, combining iconic design with simple yet durable technology. The Beetle became a symbol of affordable mass mobility, allowing many people to own a personal vehicle in the post-war era. Owning a Beetle like this is not just about possessing a car, but also preserving an important piece of automotive cultural heritage. For collectors, the fully restored condition of this car is highly appealing. With only 669 miles since completion, it qualifies as a fresh build. The meticulous restoration, covering paint, interior, and engine, makes it ready to display at automotive events or serve as a long-term investment. The balance between authenticity and modern performance upgrades increases both its value and the unique experience of owning a classic car. Volkswagen Beetle history and significance. Originally known as the Volkswagen Type 1, the Beetle was born from Ferdinand Porsche's vision of an affordable, efficient, and reliable people's car. The first Beetles were produced in 1938 in Germany, intended to provide private transportation to the general public. After World War II, mass production began, and the car quickly gained popularity in Europe, the United States, and worldwide. The Beetle is known for its unique design. A rounded body, low front hood, and smiling silhouette make it instantly recognizable on the road. The 1964 model holds a special place in Beetle history. This was the era when the car began receiving greater global attention, particularly in the United States. The Beetle was more than just a vehicle. It became a countercultural icon of the 1960s, associated with the hippie movement, rock music, and a free-spirited lifestyle. Simple yet durable, it could travel long distances with relatively easy maintenance. The 1964 version also introduced technical improvements over previous models, including optional automatic transmission and some interior comfort upgrades, while retaining the standard 1.2 to 1.5-liter air-cooled engine. Frame-off restoration. The Beetle offered from Lincoln, California has undergone a frame-off restoration. This method represents the most comprehensive approach to restoration, where the entire body is removed from the chassis for detailed inspection, repair, or replacement. This ensures every part of the car is checked, from the frame, suspension, and brakes to all body elements. This approach allows the car to be updated for safety, comfort, and performance without losing its classic identity. Additionally, the original engine has been replaced with a 2.0-liter inline-4 crate motor, designed to provide higher power than the factory unit, which produced only 40 to 50 horsepower in the standard 1964 model. The new engine delivers smoother acceleration, better efficiency, and a more responsive driving experience. Combined with a manual transmission and rear-wheel drive, the car retains its classic character while comfortably handling modern roads. Exterior, details, and aesthetics. The exterior is finished in mouse gray, a neutral yet elegant color that accentuates the Beetle's smooth, characteristic curves. The painting process was meticulous, ensuring durability and a refined visual effect. Chrome details, including bumpers, Volkswagen emblems, door handles, and window trims, have been restored or polished to shine without being excessive. Round headlights and taillights, windows, and other accessories were also restored, making the car appear as if it just left the factory. Mouse gray was chosen because it highlights the retro character of the car without being flashy, offering a calm yet elegant impression. The Beetle's smooth curves reflect light in a way that enhances its sophistication, underscoring that this car is not merely transportation but a living piece of automotive art. Interior, comfort, and character. The 1964 Beetle's cabin has been redesigned with contrasting red upholstery, giving a classic yet bold appearance. Seats have been rimmed with high-quality materials, door panels updated, and new carpets installed for added comfort. Beyond aesthetics, functional components like a custom ergonomic shifter and precise aftermarket speedometer have been upgraded. The combination of authenticity and modern functionality ensures comfort for both driver and passengers. Ventilation, seat positioning, and control layout have been restored ergonomically, making the driving experience not only nostalgic but also comfortable and safe. Every detail, from knobs and buttons to additional accessories, has been carefully selected to match the Beetle's classic identity. Performance and driving experience. Driving this Beetle is a unique experience. The new 2.0-liter engine provides more power than the original, responding quickly to every press of the accelerator. The manual transmission allows direct interaction between driver and engine, a sensation often lost in modern automatic cars. Revised suspension and steering systems ensure stability on the road, while front and rear disc brakes provide safe, responsive stopping power. The modern 12-volt electrical system supports all electronic components, from lights to ignition, ensuring reliability on every journey. This Beetle is suitable for daily driving, yet comfortable for shows and parades, making it a versatile vehicle. Pop culture and collector status. The Volkswagen Beetle is more than mechanics. It is a cultural icon. In the United States, it became widely known as a symbol of freedom and alternative lifestyle in the 1960s. From the Herbie movies to pop songs, the Beetle has been part of generations' stories and memories. Owning a 1964 Beetle like this means owning a piece of automotive history and pop culture. For collectors, a Beetle with a frame-off restoration and a new crate motor has high value. With only 669 miles since restoration, it is fresh and collectible, suitable for shows. The combination of authenticity, upgraded performance, and meticulously maintained aesthetics makes it a valuable investment, both historically and financially. Maintenance and tips. Owning a classic Beetle also means knowing how to maintain it. The 2.0-liter crate motor requires routine maintenance such as regular oil changes, coolant checks, and carburetor or fuel injection adjustments. Suspension and brakes should be regularly inspected for safety, while the exterior paint should be washed and waxed to maintain its shine. The red interior also needs extra care to remain clean and vibrant. Collectors are advised to store the car in a dry garage, away from direct sunlight. Using original or high-quality replacement parts is recommended to ensure the restoration remains consistent and the car retains its character. The 1964 Volkswagen Beetle represents a perfect blend of history, aesthetics, and modern performance. Frame-off restoration, 2.0-liter crate engine, contrasting red interior with mouse gray exterior, and modern braking and electrical systems make this car ready to drive or showcase. The Beetle is not just a vehicle. It is a living work of art, a cultural symbol, and an unforgettable driving experience. With all these upgrades and attention to detail, this car offers a pleasurable, safe, and reliable driving experience while maintaining the classic Volkswagen soul. For classic car enthusiasts and collectors, this Beetle is an investment in automotive history, as well as a means to enjoy a journey filled with nostalgia, style, and character. Owning a 1964 Beetle means owning a piece of automotive history that remains relevant, beautiful, and captivating to this day.